Hello and welcome to my video, the introduction to the coefficient of friction lab. So here's the apparatus that we have. We've got a few different surfaces we can try. First of all, we have just a wooden block, just for consistency, so we're all doing the same thing. This side up, so when you place it down, you should read the words on that side. So if you can see here, we've got just this wooden block. If you just put it, because we're measuring the friction of the block on the wood, if you just put it on this side there, we're trying to measure it for that back piece of wood. So this is the one apparatus, and you can see here that it's basically got a built-in protractor here. And if you loosen this nut, you can adjust it, and obviously at some point it starts to slide down. And I'm not going to tell you too much about it, but once you want to stop it, the height, you just tighten the nut down this way and it tightens and then it stays where it is. Or you can spin it this way and now it's loose again and I can go this way. So for this lab, we're trying to measure the coefficient of static friction between the block of wood and 3 different surfaces. So we have a wooden surface here. It's a painted wooden surface. It's painted, so that does affect it. We've got this plexiglass, which is really nice. It's just basically a plastic surface. It slots in right in between here. And then we have a metal surface. And it's basically the same apparatus, except that the bottom is metal. So you can just try it on the other one. The other one doesn't lock into place, so you have to be a little bit more careful. So I would try these two first, set them up, make them all work, and then you can try the metal one after. So consider how you need to, or what you need to measure in order to get your coefficient of static friction between the wooden block and the different surfaces. So we have 3 different surfaces. You're going to make a hypothesis as to which is the most slippery in simple terms. And then you're going to measure somehow and then calculate for each of them what the static coefficient of friction is. Good luck!